if I should hold my hair back or what I should do, because I know I'm looking like really crazy. This is like bad hair. I got up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, did what I needed to do, moisturized my face and then my brows, and this is like it. Ain't nothing else been done, so don't judge me. I'm coming to y'all today to do like a little quick makeup routine and just preparing my hair and all that good stuff. So yes, I went ahead and did my brows because I feel like watching people do their brows is really boring. But if y'all want a brow tutorial, let me know. My brows did not come out the best today, but we're just gonna make it do what it do with what we have. I'm not really like in love with them. I had to thin the brows out a little bit. They were looking a little too cray. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair in a ponytail first, and then we're gonna move on to the face. Hello, I'm back. I promise today's look is gonna look more fire than what it's looking now. I know this is all I have on my eyelid, y'all, but just wait, just watch the full tutorial, okay? This is the palette that I used on my eyes today. This is the BH Cosmetics palette. This is a very old palette, but yes, I have it still. So I'm using like the gray tones in this palette, which is something that, you know, is never really touched. The gray tones, I feel like most people don't touch them, but I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna use this one too. And then so that we can make the edges nice and smooth, I'm just gonna go in with my little blending brush. And then I'm gonna add my thick black liner. Then we add our lash mascara to my lashes so they will blend in very well. Now we're gonna move on to skin. Today I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the color NC50. And for concealer, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. And I got this one in the color NC45. And we're going to go ahead and blend this out. So now we're going to do setting powder, and for today's setting powder I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder. I got this one in the shade Kunafa. This is what it looks like. It's very yellow, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set under my eye. I'm just going to put some more right here because I like to really set those smile lines. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Contour, I am using the ColourPop pressed powder. This is in the color Deep Dark. And then we're just gonna lightly wipe it against the lower part of the face just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Then of course we have to come around the perimeter of my forehead because it is, you know, your forehead is always a different color from the rest of your face. So, and to Film Noir, this is a blush actually, and I'm gonna use it to just finish. I'm gonna use it to finish off the contour of my face because I just like it to be just a little bit darker. Clean up the contour. Clean out the contour with the same baking powder. If you do not like if you don't like strong fragranced things, then you probably won't like this setting powder because it does have the same type of fragrance as the foundation, if you've ever tried our foundation. Me personally, I love the smell. All right, and then we're just gonna let that set in. I'm putting them on. All right, and for highlight, I'm going back to one of my most faves. This is the Makeup Forever compact dual sculpting whatever, and I got it in the shade 2. All right, I'm almost done, you guys. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to go into the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to use this blue shade, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, that's pretty. Just gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes because I don't really want anything on my bottom lashes. Still early in the day, so I don't necessarily want like a smoked out bottom lower lash line. I can't spray my face until this lower lash line dries. So let me go ahead and get changed right quick, and then I'm gonna be back to do like the finishing touches with my mouth and all that good stuff. So be right back. I'm really mad because I was talking and then my camera just shut off and it didn't record anything that I said. But I'm using the Pearlescence Rose Water. I use this in like a bunch of other videos, so you guys know this is my ish right here. I love this. Everything looks pretty much like set in right now except for the spots you see on my face because I just sprayed my face and then the camera shut off while I was talking. But you guys get the point. I am just rehydrating my face with this face mist so everything can look nice and moistured and hydrated instead of just looking like powder, you know. So we're gonna finish spraying my face. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry down, and then we're just gonna get my ponytail added. This is the ponytail I'm gonna be using, y'all. I've worn this ponytail before. I actually did a review on this ponytail, so if you guys want to see that review, I'll link it below so you guys can check it out. My hair has been molding down since the beginning of the video, so it's nice and stuck right now. We're just gonna take this comb, because this is a drawstring comb ponytail, and just stick it in at the top. Here's the nice pony. It is a little tangled, but whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lippy lips. I'm going to use just like some brown liner because I don't really want my lips to like overpower my eyes. So I want my lips to stay pretty nude and neutral. And then I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. that is all that I have for you guys today. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. If you guys are interested in more makeup tutorials, let me know by commenting below and leaving a thumbs up. That lets me know, you guys, that you are interested in these type of videos. And if you're interested in any other type of videos, make sure you leave a comment below so I know what type of content to put out for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.